Hey everyone, it's Gianna at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in decentralized exchanges, DEXs. The past few months, I've been working with the VyFinance team. They're a uniquely Cardano DEX, and this month, they have some major updates to share with us. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. VyFi official tweeted, "It's only July, and VyFi has hit the ground running this year. With a fully V3 DEX in our sights, so far we've executed a 50% token burn, one of the largest burn proposals in Cardano history, cutting uncirculated supply to strengthen long-term value and governance alignment. Launched Safe Swaps, the most powerful on-chain OTC, over-the-counter and distribution tool on Cardano. Private public trades, bulk airdrops, and multi-asset swaps, all from one interface." I have a whole video explaining Safe Swaps. If you want to learn more about those, I'll link that up above. Rolled out bundle swaps. Swap full token baskets in seconds. Save, load, and execute grouped orders with just a few clicks. Streamlined DCA and portfolio rebalancing has arrived. This is especially useful for larger project teams, larger projects, and airdrops. Unveiled our customizable dashboard. Modular widgets give you full control of your DeFi experience. Trade, farm, govern, track, and manage your way. We should mention that this all comes with continual UI, UX improvements, but we're just getting started. VyFi 3 is coming, and it's going to redefine what a DEX can be on Cardano. VyFinance is doing really groundbreaking stuff. It's the very first Plutus V3 product to launch on Cardano, and it's only July. They have so much more to do, and the best is yet to come. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Cardano, and what else does the ecosystem need? If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!